Hi, today we're going to talk a little bit about the euro. Whether you're paying for a phone call or a doner kebab, it would be a good idea to be familiar with the euro monetary system. Since 2001, Germany has been using the euro, and there are now 17 countries using the euro. These countries in the darker colored pink are actually part of the European Union and use the euro. If they're countries in the lighter pink, they are part of the European Union, but they do not use the euro. The countries that are in tan are not part of the European Union. The ones that use the euro are Austria, Belgium, Cyprus, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Ireland, Italy, Luxembourg, Malta, the Netherlands, Portugal, Slovakia, Slovenia, and Spain. Those who are a part of the European Union but do not use the euro would include Bulgaria, the Czech Republic, Denmark, Hungary, Latvia, Lithuania, Poland, Romania, Sweden, and the United Kingdom. The euro has 8 coins. There's the 1 cent, the 2 cent, 5 cent, 20 cent, 50 cents, 1 and 2 euro pieces. They get a little bit bigger for each one until you get to the 50, and then the 50, the 1, and the 2 euro all end up being about the same size. The 1 euro coin has silver on the inside and gold on the outside. The 2 euro coin has gold on the inside and silver on the outside. There are 7 euro bills, 5 euro, 10 euro, 20 euro, 50 euro, 100 euro, 200 euro, and 500 euros. All of the different euro bills are a different color. You'll also notice that they change ever so slightly between the different countries. They are also different sizes, so the smaller the bill, the smaller the monetary amount. Oddly enough, the euro looks a lot like Monopoly money. On the bottom left, there's a little bit of a picture of Monopoly money for comparison purposes. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the rest of the stuff on my channel and subscribe.